Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your time zone on your Android phone based on your location settings. So if you're on a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel phone, it's all the same. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the System tile. And now go underneath Date and Time. And where it says time zone, go ahead and click inside of here. And you can select a different time zone from the list by selecting time zone again. And then you would be able to just scroll through here, select the correct time zone, and then you should be good to go. You may need to adjust the region up top too. So you saw there was a region. You may have to go underneath region first, select your correct country, and then you can select the applicable time codes from there. And that's pretty much it. Again, you have to have some of these settings set off. So if you click the back arrow up here at the top, if you have time zones set automatically, you may not be able to adjust the time zone settings. You may have to turn off the automatic option for right now. So pretty straightforward process on that. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.